have 5 computers for the swarm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I was planning to have 6, but one of them didn't have giggy internet, so I couldn't use it. But that's why I planned for 6. I figured at least one would not work. Having 5 is great because an odd number of managers is good. These are really old computers. If you have 5 managers, you have a fault tolerance of 2, so 2 computers can die and everything still is behaving correctly. More information than probably most of you wanted or cared about. Anyway, this computer is really nice because it's an all-in-one touch screen. So I can use it as an interface. I never let any jobs run on it, but it's just a manager, so I can use it if I need to just walk over and figure out what's going on with the swarm. I can do that. That's separate from being able to hook up the file server, because if the file server is in bad enough shape that I need that, this thing is not useful. That came from, I think it was a point of sale thing for some place that was getting rid of computers, and I said, oh yeah, sure, I'll take that. So anyway, there is no longer any sensitive information on there. We've got to do a lot of cable management, and I need to make a second swarm. This is why I need a second swarm, so that I can do my tests on something other than what's running in production. Hopefully that Apple Mac Mini will be part of the next swarm. But anyway, I've got some configuration to do, and I need to get the swarm started, and then, getting all the services started. I'm sure there are going to be headaches, so that could take a few more hours, but this, at least, is done and stable, and importantly, I've left them all on, and none of them have gone into suspend or sleep mode. That always takes some effort. You have to do it at the BIOS level, and then at the operating system level, and make sure that you got it right, etc., etc. Anyhow, we're in pretty good shape so far, I think. Fingers crossed.